Dropshipping's dead is what a lot of people have been saying online. So today we're gonna test if that's true. I'm gonna try to start a new dropshipping store with no money in the next 7 days, and if it gets sales, we'll know it still works. But if it doesn't, I guess dropshippers will have to start LARPing in Miami to sell courses to lease cars they can't afford. So let's head back to the studio and see what happens. The first step to creating a successful dropshipping business is finding a winning product that solves a pain point. Because if you can provide the solution to your customer's problem, they won't care about your price, website, or shipping costs. They'll just purchase your product to fix their issue ASAP. This is why Vegas can charge $15 for a water bottle and gas stations can charge $200 for a Plan B in the hood. The more someone needs something, the more they are willing to pay or do to acquire it. So if we focus on selling a real solution to someone's problem instead of the typical cool looking dropshipping products, we're more likely to profit. And to find these products, you should look on social media for successful ads that have been running a while. Because if an ad's been live for a long time, it's most likely profitable. You can find these by scrolling the meta ads library and filtering by a niche or problem you want to solve, by browsing Twitter for ads with strong positive engagement, or by using the classic TikTok made me buy it method where you analyze products that are clearly trending. All three methods work, but since I can't spend money running ads in this challenge, I need something to grab attention instantly. Not just a problem solver, but a product that's entertaining enough to stop a D1 doom scroller, which is why I'm gonna use the TikTok made me buy it method. Let's see what I can find in 3 minutes.
Wake up on Miami Beach, all I see is sand. Take a look out my kitchen window.
Oh, I like this one. It's a 4-in-1 retractable car charger that charges devices fast. This is great because it solves a problem. It's scroll stopping, especially with the idea I have for the ad. Wait until y'all see that, and I can sell it for more than 60% profit. So I'm gonna sample order it through AutoDS to make sure it's actually a solid product before I start selling it, and so I can get real photos and videos of the charger for my ads and website. And speaking of the site, let's build it in less than 10 minutes by using my AI store builder. It's as simple as clicking the link in my description, creating an account with your email, selecting the niche you want the store to build. Like since I'm selling a car charger, I'd select electronics, choose some homepage images, then after I connect it to Shopify, which y'all will get for 3 days free, then $1 a month for 3 months with my affiliate link, the store will be created. This used to take beginners days to do, and now you can have a beautiful store ready to sell products like these in less time than it takes to pick a Netflix show. And even if you don't want to sell the products it gives you, it's still worth using because it sets up your entire Shopify backend, saving you hours of time so you can just import the product you actually want, like I'm gonna do now. I'll head over to my supplier AutoDS, press import, and bam, my product is now ready to sell on Shopify. I'm gonna price it at $23.99, which means I make $15 profit for every charger sold, and my offer will be 60% off. Typically, the higher discount people see, the more likely they are to buy, especially when you add urgency by saying something like,
for the next 48 hours only, or spring sale ending soon.
It makes the customer feel like they have to buy now or they will never get that price again, which is totally false for 90% of businesses, by the way. Like my stores always have sales, and we just rename them to fit the season, holiday, or current world event. And if you're curious how the product page looks, this is how it looked immediately after importing the charger, which is valid for no edits. But I gave myself 10 minutes to make it better, where I redid the copy, added GIFs, a how to use guide, a product comparison chart, and I got rid of the stuff I didn't like. And now that the store's ready, besides some font tweaks and adding my own photos, it's time to advertise it with no money. I'll be using AI UGC ads and creating my own ads in Miami to see which performs better. So let's head there. Oh, it's hot as hell out here, boys. Well, I shouldn't say that. Nowhere's as hot as hell, but thankfully Jesus Christ died on the cross for all our sins, so we don't have to worry about that. Thank you, Lord. Anyway, since this is a 7-day challenge, I want to be filming 7 ads so I can post 1 new ad every day of the week. In my opinion, ad creatives are the most important part of any e-commerce store. Your site can look unprofessional, your product can be oversaturated, your offer can be boring, but if you make a banger ad, all of that will be overshadowed and people will still purchase your product. Like if y'all remember the Tate challenge video with 5 million views, the store I built was pretty basic and the offer was boring, but since the ad was so captivating, I got sales. Now, this isn't an excuse for you to half-ass your website or pick the first product that pops up on your For You page, because the better you make those parts of your store, the higher your conversion rate will be. But it does prove you should put the most effort into your ads. Hence, I got a Ferrari because people are more likely to stop scrolling for a car product video when you film it in a Ferrari instead of everyday traffic. So I'm gonna film 7 banger ads right now, then I'll show you all the craziest ones. I'm super excited to show you this amazing car charger. The cords are retractable, so there's no mess. Just pull it back when you're done and bam, it's gone like my dad. Now you can fast charge 4 devices at once. One for you, your wife, your girlfriend, and your plug. Plus it's adjustable, water resistant, and it's 60% off for the next 24 hours. So get yours now, link in bio. I am the GOAT, bro. No one can make ads like me. And if y'all wanna learn how to make banger ads, just follow this system. 1, have an amazing scroll stopping hook. 2, introduce the main problem your customer has. 3, show visually and verbally how your product solves their problem. 4, include social proof if you have it. Like if you're selling an acne gel, show real customer results of clear skin after using your product. But be careful with before and afters because Facebook has a tendency to ban for that. 5, introduce a phenomenal offer that makes your customer feel stupid if they don't purchase from you. Hormozy has some great books on offers, but it boils down to giving your customer so much perceived value that they feel as if they're ripping you off. Because at that point, purchases become automatic. It's a no-brainer. And the only way to get good at creating ads is by doing it. I started by making ads for other companies on TikTok in 2019, then started my own dropshipping businesses in 2021, then switched to digital products in 2022. And the same principles apply now as they did back then. If you can make good ads, you're gonna win. So since my ads are done, let's head back to the studio and create the AI ads. To make the ads, I'm going to be using createugc.ai, which is the sponsor of today's video. Their software allows you to choose from hundreds of avatars that will promote your products in just a few clicks. So regardless if you're just starting e-commerce, you want to switch from real UGC to AI, they got your back. It's as simple as copying your product's link from AliExpress, pasting it right here, then after a few button clicks, you'll have an AI ad promoting your product. So let's do it. I'll select product and hand style video, press continue. Here I'll enter my product name, description, and images, then I'll select how I want the ad formatted. Since I'm posting these on short form platforms, I'd of course select 9:16. My target audience speaks English, so I'd select that. And now it's time to choose one of these many avatars. A good rule of thumb is to pick an avatar that relates to your target audience. Like if you're selling skincare, choose a girl in her room, or since I'm selling a car product, I'll select this girl in her car. Then I'll pick which voice I wanted to have, click next, and bam, the AI has automatically generated 3 valid scripts. You could tweak these however you want or import your own pre-written script because there are no restrictions unlike other AI models. So finish your script, press next, and your video will be created. You can download it by pressing download up top. You can edit it to make it even better by adding text, captions, photos, etc. So make sure to claim your 7-day free trial by clicking the link in the description. CreateUGC.ai is a great tool for growing any e-commerce business. And while y'all do that, I'm going to create 6 more of these ads, then I'll update y'all when I start posting. Alright, I started posting the ads a few days ago, and thus far they have about 7,000 total views, mainly driven by my ads, which resulted in 1 sale. So far the profit is $12 minus the $1 Shopify subscription, which equals $11.83 in 3 days. That's not terrible for sub 10K views, but considering I've had 300 site visits, I'd typically expect around 3 to 5 sales at this point. So to increase my sales, I'm going to increase my output. You need to think of every social media post as a lottery ticket. The majority of them will do bad, but when one wins, aka goes viral, you can go from 20 sales to $20,000 a month. It all comes down to posting valuable content consistently. Like I went from 600,000 to 1.6 million TikTok followers in 3 months, and that happened because I started posting 3 amazing videos per day instead of 1. So if you want to win in e-commerce, social media, or life in general, do more. You can always do more. Bad news, boys. The Instagram totally bugged out on day 6 of the challenge and wouldn't let me post anymore. But there were more sales that I will show you after addressing the elephant in the room. Is dropshipping dead? Well, from a numbers standpoint, e-commerce increased 5% last year to $6.5 trillion, and dropshipping alone increased a shocking 20%. So logistically, no, dropshipping's actually thriving, but how do I personally feel? Well, I've always thought that anyone who starts e-commerce will walk away from it with more valuable skills than when they started, regardless if they get little sales or exit their brand for $10 million. And I still believe that, but I feel like the real question y'all want to ask me is dropshipping still the best business model for beginners? And honestly, no, it's not. It's top 5, but there's a reason I quit dropshipping in 2022 to start digital brands. Profit margins are way higher, you don't have to worry about fulfillment, upsells are easier, etc. So if you want to dropship, do it. It's still a great business model that can help you
escape the matrix.
weeks. Like, I finished this 5-day challenge with 2 sales for $25 profit without spending more than $1. But if y'all want me to finally make content on digital e-commerce, decom, comment below and let me know. You can start by watching this decom challenge video where I made $1K in a week without spending any money. Thanks for watching and God bless.